Yes, my people, good day. Today's pro tip. We're doing new shocks on this Lincoln Towncar today. So when you're installing the shocks, when you take it out the box, it's going to look something like this. Comes with this. Sometimes they're metal, sometimes they're plastic, right? Holds it together because it gets long. So what you do is you push down on it, make it shorter, and then you're able to release it. But before you just install it onto the car, one of the things that you should do is work the shock absorber a couple times. Push it all the way down and let it come all the way back out. Maybe 2 or 3 times before you install it onto the car, because what happens is when they put it in the box, you don't know how long it's been in the box and it's been compressed, and sometimes they settle. I don't know if settling is the right word for it, but they get soft. But once you do this, you'll kind of activate them again and they start to get tight. So you'll notice when you push on it the first time, it's kind of loose, but then after the second or third, it gets really tight. So when I'm going to install, what I do is I work fast because it's coming out by itself. So I squish it in, I get it lined up, put the 2 bolts in, but you should get this ready first though, you understand? The bags them build serious these days. This is what's in the bag. You get 2 washers, and you get 2 rubbers, and you get a nut. So you get 2 washers, 2 rubbers, and a nut. Okay? Hey, I didn't make it up. It come like that. Right? You put the washer on first, and there's a upside and a downside. So the cup facing up, so you want to cup it up. Right? Then you put the washer on. Some of the washers have a larger side and a smaller side that's raised. The larger one is going to go towards the car. The smaller one goes towards the shock. When it goes up through the hole, you get the next rubber with the large side down. Put that on. And then the washer and then the nut. That's just how it's designed. Yeah man, thank you for watching. Thanks for the support. Have a wonderful day. Bless.